working with IMO Messenger and have IMO data files from the messaging application. These contain chat data and user information from the popular messaging platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these IMO Messenger data files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens IMO files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. A user typically encounters an IMO file when they receive a file, such as a photo, video, or document, through the IMO instant messaging application. Their goal is to open and view the content that was shared with them by another contact within the app's ecosystem, often on a mobile device. The IMO file is a container format used by the IMO app. It likely wraps the original file, e.g., a JPG or MP4, in a binary structure with added metadata for transmission, such as sender information and timestamps. This design ensures files are handled consistently within the application's framework. Your application default for IMO should ideally be IMO Messenger from PageBites, Inc. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. We're performing an initial check of the application compatibility. Right-click your IMO file and choose Open With. Test IMO Messenger first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a surprisingly simple fix. If you still cannot open your IMO file, that is okay. Since this IMO format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, opening an IMO Messenger. Launch the IMO Messenger application on your device, and the IMO files load automatically as part of the user's data restoration. Sign in with the same phone number used originally, and the application reconstructs the chat history, contacts, and settings. Direct manual opening of IMO files outside the app is typically not supported. Next, backing up chat history. IMO Messenger provides built-in backup functions accessible through the application settings. Configure automatic backup to cloud services to protect chat history. For manual backup of IMO data files, locate the application data directory on your device, though restoration typically requires the IMO application to import the backed up data. Finally, migrating to other platforms. IMO doesn't provide direct chat export to other messaging platforms, but you can manually save important conversations through screenshots or copying message text. For data portability, use third-party messaging migration tools that support IMO Messenger, though available options are limited compared to migration tools for WhatsApp or other major messengers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.